Welcome to the Dan's Performance Parts YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new videos, and feel free to leave a comment below. Are you just fed up with that old generator not keeping up with charging your battery up anymore? Or are you just tired of looking at that old worn-out generator or alternator setup? Well, replace that old generator or alternator setup and make it look sharp as well with a high-charging 75-amp Chrome Alternator Conversion Kit by Empi. Empi's Chrome Alternator Conversion Kit will come complete with an all-new 75-amp Chrome Plated alternator that has a built-in voltage regulator for easy installation. The kit will also include the following components: a new chrome aluminum alternator stand, stainless steel alternator strap, chrome-plated 12-volt pulley, V-grooved fan belt, and a 3-piece alternator tin set with chrome faceplate and chrome rear piece. This kit will be a great choice if you're planning on adding any higher electrical load demands, such as a big stereo system with amps or just extra driving lights. Plus, this kit is a great start point for converting a 6-volt system over to a 12-volt system as well. Please be sure to check out all of our alternator kits and pricing at the links listed in the description below. Also, be sure to check out Dan's Performance Parts' complete line of VW parts and accessories tailored to Volkswagen air-cooled enthusiasts. Plus, Dan's Performance Parts is a premier supplier of parts and accessories geared toward Manx-style, fiberglass cars, dune buggies, sandrails, Baja bugs, drag or street performance cars, vintage VW, and classic air-cooled vehicles. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of our new product releases and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you real soon.